10 diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith Diwrnod 6. Day 6 Navigation. Heddiw, dach chi'n mynd i Segontium, Cae'r Gors a Llanberis. Today you will be visiting the Roman fort of Segontium on the edge of Caernarfon, Cae'r Gors, the home of author Kate Roberts, and finishing in Llanberis at Dolbardarn Castle and the Welsh Slate Museum. Caer Rufeinig Segontium, LL 55 2LN. The day starts in Segontium Fort. Explore the site, visiting the exhibition, completing a task about Roman life and a task about the history of Segontium. There is also the mabinogi story, the Dream of Macsen Wledig, which is set in this area. Amser Cinio. Next is a good opportunity to have lunch in Caernarfon town itself, or buy a picnic to enjoy in the hills on the next part of the journey. Gyrwch I Cae'r Gors, Rhosgatfan, LL 54 7EY. Leave Caernarfon, driving south on the A487 through Bontnewydd. Just before you arrive in Dinas, turn left towards Rhostryfan and then onto Rhosgatfan. Cae'r Gors. Inside Cae'r Gors, there are tasks to complete about the industrial heritage of the area and the life of the people working there. You may need to pay for entry if you're not a member of Cadw. Gyrwch i'r stop nesaf. Llanberis, LL 55 4TY. The easy way if you don't have a map or sat-nav is to head back to Caernarfon and then to Llanberis on the A068. The slightly more interesting route is to continue up the road over the hills toward Waun Fawr. There are laybys on this road with good views over Anglesey. When you arrive at the A485, turn left and go through the village of Waun Fawr, right onto Caernarfon, and then when you arrive at the A4086, turn right to Llanberis. Castell Dolbardarn. Once you have driven past Llanberis, turn left after the Lake Railway Station on your left, towards Padarn Country Park. There is a car park on your left, and a path up to the castle and a task for you to complete there. Amgueddfa Llechi Cymru. If you have time after visiting the castle, walk towards the country park and visit the Welsh Slate Museum. This will give you a deeper insight into the world you learnt about in Cae'r Gors. There is a cafe in the museum and some small shops in the area. Here is a good place for you to write your postcard. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.